Hey guys, welcome back to another wonderful and powerful spiritual recipe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use alligator pepper to stop evil eye. Someone asked this question in the comment section. Okay, he asked, how can I use alligator pepper to stop evil eye? So I feel that yes, this is a very important question, and I need to make a video about it to teach other people how they can stop evil eyes with alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is a very powerful item that can be used to do a lot of spiritual work. Okay, so if you are having so many evil eyes around you, so many evil eyes are in your life, and you want to stop it, you want to put an end to that eyes, you can use alligator pepper to stop it. So I'm going to share with you in this video how you can use alligator pepper to stop any evil eyes in your life, both physical and spiritual eyes. Okay, so if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. My name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in the channel. Please, if you love this teaching, if you like my channel, just subscribe to it and give the video a thumbs up if you like it, okay? And if you have any question that is bothering your mind that you want to ask, use the comment section, okay? I'll answer you, okay? By the special grace of God, okay? So if you are having a lot of evil eyes around you, some eyes monitoring your movement, monitoring your blessings, monitoring anything good that happened to you, you don't feel comfortable about it, you want to put an end to it, you can use alligator pepper. There are a lot of people that once they got a job, their enemy will increase. People around them will start hating them. Those people that is hating you, they are your enemy. They have evil eyes on you. Okay, and there are people that they go diabolical, like they monitor everything that you do spiritually. Those are evil eyes. Okay, they don't come out physically. They go spiritual. They use spiritual mirrors. To monitor your movement, your activities, anything happening in your life. They use that spiritual mirror to monitor. You may not know, okay? Sometimes you will just notice that when something good is about to happen to you, that won't stop. When something better is about to come into your life, you will not receive that. That is because they have used that their spiritual mirror to monitor that thing that is coming your way, and they have stopped it, they have put an end to it, okay? So you can use alligator pepper to block and stop any evil eye that is monitoring your life. How you can do this is to get me an alligator pepper, okay? You need to get an alligator pepper. Now, when you get an alligator pepper, if you are getting it for the first time, you need to, place it behind you and open it. Okay, that is the rule. Place it behind you and open it, then bring it to your front. Now, when you bring it to your front, you are going to pick 21 seed of the alligator pepper. 21 seed of alligator pepper. Put it inside your palm like this. Put it inside your palm. Okay, and pray over your life. Okay, any monitoring eyes, any evil eyes monitoring your life, your finances, both physical, because sometimes the physical eyes can even do bad things more than the spiritual. Yes, that is the truth. Okay, I'm not saying that the spiritual is not powerful to harm you, but sometimes those physical eyes can go to any length to harm you. So when you are praying, you pray both physical and spiritual eyes that has been monitoring your progress, your blessings, your breakthrough. Okay, that today you are putting an end to it, you are stopping it using alligator pepper. That alligator pepper do not go on a journey and return home shamefully without accomplishing that which it was sent to. This will be your prayer point, that today you are blinding them, you are stopping them from the east, from the west, from the north, from the south. Okay, you make a prayer. After making that your prayer, that alligator pepper, the 21 seed that you have put in inside your palm, put it inside a white handkerchief. Just get a white handkerchief, okay? Get a white handkerchief, okay? And drop those 21 seed of alligator pepper inside that one handkerchief. Pound it into powdered form, okay? Pound it into powdered form. As you are pounding it into powdered form as well, be saying your mind, be declaring your intention, okay? That today you are putting an end to any evil eyes in your life, okay? You are going to be saying something regarding that alligator pepper you are pounding inside that white handkerchief, okay? Now, after pounding it inside that one handkerchief, get this item called charcoal, okay? Any quantity, can be small, it can be big, it can be little. Just get any quantity, and as well add it inside that your white handkerchief that you are pounding, and pound it together with that alligator pepper. Okay, pound it together with that alligator pepper, and after pounding it together, wrap up that handkerchief, and tie it very very well. Okay, tie it very very well. Then you can go to anywhere you know you can go and pound that white handkerchief together with that alligator pepper. Okay, pound it together with that alligator pepper. Now if you know the names of those people that, or that person that is monitoring you, you can write their name and put it inside that white handkerchief and pound it together. Okay, this will be a powerful spell that is going to make them never to monitor your life again. Okay, this is going to blind them, like they will not monitor your life anymore if you only know their name. But if you don't know their name, just do the ones I told you. Okay, and that will be the end to that problem. Okay, any evil eye that is monitoring both spiritual and physical, once you burn that white handkerchief that you have put in alligator pepper with with the charcoal, that will be the end to it. If you know their name, just put it inside that item, okay, and burn it together, and that will be the end to it. Okay, so this spiritual recipe, you are going to do it at night. You are going to do it at night. Take note, not in the daytime, not in the afternoon, just at night. Okay, with the alligator pepper and this item. This is going to bring a total change into your life, because once the eyes of the evil ones that have been, destroyed, have been stopped in your life, watch out how your life will start progressing. Okay, watch out how things will start moving well again for you. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in today's video. Okay, if you do not understand any part of this video, use the comment section. If you have question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, please use the comment section. Okay, I will explain it more better for you. Okay, so that is what you can do with alligator pepper to stop evil eyes in your life. Okay, if you want to talk to me directly, hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay, for any spiritual work or any product that you want to buy, strictly for business. Okay, not for questions. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.